Hello vegan friends! Today we're going to be making 3 quick 10-minute vegan lunches. These are great if you're working from home. You can whip them up on your break and have a fresh meal for lunch, or you can quickly meal prep them the night before and take them to the office. We're going to be making vegan chili fries, Garbanzo Apple Store street tacos, and taco ranch garbanzo toast. Alright, first we're going to start with the tacos. Now the secret to making this quick vegan meal is the Casa Verde Garbanzo Apple Store quick meal pouch. Just tear it open and heat it up in the microwave for a minute. One of the reasons we absolutely love it is because even though it's a quick meal that goes in the microwave, it has very clean ingredients, no preservatives, and it tastes delicious. You can pick these up online at veganblackmarket.com. Alright, now while this is heating up in the microwave, we're going to warm up our tortillas. So we have a frying pan already heated up. Just going to lay these on there and do about a minute. And then we're going to turn them and get the other side as well. Now that our chickpeas are done in the microwave and the tortillas are heated up, it's time to assemble the tacos. We have a bag of classic coleslaw. Just going to pour a generous amount of that into a bowl. And then we're going to coat it with this incredible Whalen Farm street taco sauce. You guys, I'm serious, this taco sauce is beyond amazing. It's fat-free, it's gluten-free, has 0 carbs, no sugar, no dairy, and most importantly, it's vegan. So go ahead and pour a generous amount of this liquid magic on top of your coleslaw and give it a good mix. Now, let's take a tortilla, scoop some of that coleslaw in there, and grab your pouch of the Casa Verde Garbanzo Apple Store. Add a little bit of the mix on top of the coleslaw. Do that to the next one. I'm telling you guys, it does not get much easier than this. Am I right? Now it's up to you how you want to top it off. Maybe you can use some vegan sour cream if you have any, but I'm just going to use the street taco sauce that we used on the coleslaw because 1, it's tasty, and 2, the whole point of this video is quick vegan lunch ideas. So it's ready right here. So that's what we're going to use. Now we're going to add a little bit more to our coleslaw and mix it up to get that extra flavor in there. And there you have it, guys. How easy was that? Vegan street tacos for lunch in less than 5 minutes, and you didn't even have to leave your house. Alright, moving on to quick vegan lunch idea number 2, taco ranch garbanzo toast. We're going to start by putting some fries in the air fryer, that way we can enjoy them with our toast. Let's get an onion chopped up. I suggest chopping it pretty finely, just because you don't want the bigger pieces to start falling off your toast at the end, so the smaller the better. Now we chopped up a little bit extra since we're going to need some in our next meal, that way we have it ready, so you don't need to do this much, just a little bit. Now as for this tomato, we just need to take 2 slices. 1, 2. Don't skip the tomato, guys. It really helps bring all the flavors together in the end, so once you get a slice, just set it aside for now. We're going to come back for it. Alright, now get a decent sized bowl. And then we're gonna empty out 1 can of garbanzo beans. Just the beans, no liquid. Leave that aquafaba behind. Just want the beans. Alright, grab a fork and start smashing them. Smash away. You don't have to get all of them, but you know, try to get about 85% of them. And then for this recipe, we're going to use another Whalen Farm sauce. This time it's the Taco Ranch, which is also available on Vegan Black Market. So don't feel guilty, it's fat-free, no carbs, pour as much as you like. Add a little fresh parsley or cilantro, whichever you like. Then go ahead and get some of that fresh onion in there. And we're gonna add just a few splashes of liquid to the mix. And then just go ahead and blend it up really well. Get everything nice and coated. Alright, let's revisit those tomato slices. Get a frying pan out, heat it up, and add your tomatoes on there. We're just going to heat them up a bit. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of liquid smoke on top of them, and we're going to let them heat up until the juices start to flow. Find that heating tomatoes up a bit really brings out their flavor, and it makes sandwiches and wraps just so much more enjoyable. Alright, now I toasted some 3-grain bread, and that's going to be the base for this lunch. Add a layer of coleslaw straight from the bag, put a layer of the Taco Ranch chickpeas on top of it with the tomatoes, and there you have it. Yes, it's pretty messy, but messy food is the best food, so don't let that stop you from giving this a try. Now, while we got the toast ready, the fries finished up in the air fryer, so we're gonna enjoy them with the curry ketchup. I feel like the unique taste of this curry ketchup just makes me feel like I'm eating out. And clearly, I like to feel like I'm eating out a little too much because this bottle's almost empty, but likely there is just enough. There you have it. This lunch comes together really easy and it tastes phenomenal. Next, vegan chili fries. Now, I cannot tell you how many times we make these. Oh, they are so good. We're going to start by putting some fries in the air fryer. And then while those cook, we're going to get the rest of the ingredients ready. Now, we always keep a few cans of this Garbanzo plant-based chili with beans in our pantry. As the instructions on the can say, you can do this in the microwave or the stovetop. The microwave would be the quickest route, but I personally feel like it tastes better doing it on the stove, so that's what we're gonna go with. This takes maybe 3 minutes on the stove. And just mix it up as it heats up. Now, I had these fries ready from the last recipe I just showed you guys, so that's why they were done so quick, but your fries are probably still in the air fryer, and if these weren't ready, these would still be in the air fryer. So let's just pretend they're not here right now, and let's go ahead and get our veggies ready. And chop up 2 green onions, dice up a tomato. Now we're gonna get our fries. Gonna pour that chili mixture all over them. We're gonna add our tomatoes, our green onions, some red onions, and some parsley to the mix. Alright, now we're gonna drizzle some of this only plant-based sour cream. And you're gonna get it all over the chili fries, you guys. Like all over. Everywhere. Do not skip out on the sour cream. I'm telling you, it really is the winning ingredient in this quick meal, so make sure you put it everywhere. These chili fries come together so quick and they taste incredible. We eat these way too often here and they still blow my mind every single time. Now these vegan lunches take less than 10 minutes from start to finish and they are tasty and filling. And they will get you through the rest of the day without feeling hungry. So let us know in the comments below which one of these meals you're going to look forward to trying first. I'm really curious. And don't forget, you can get all the ingredients featured in this video at Vegan Black Market. You can also find links and a promo code in the description below. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get access to more quick and easy vegan meals from Vegan Black Market. See you around, guys.